Have you ever heard of Dr. Harvey's Raw Vibrance? We've been using this for our dog food for the last 6 months, and they've been doing amazing on this. What I love about this is that it's all real ingredients, and it's super easy to make. The ingredients list is pretty straightforward. It's got your veggies, broccoli, green beans, squash, celery, cabbage, carrots, crushed eggshell, spinach, beets, raw goat's milk powder, apples, blueberries, bone meal, sesame seeds, chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, greenlet mussel powder, ginger, kelp, parsley, and eggshell membrane. This is your breakdown. Now, the way that you use this is you mix it in specifically with a meat source and an oil. And the oil we like to use is Native Pet. So right now I am cooking the chicken, and I mix it all together when I'm done. So this is what it looks like when you first take it out, and you just mix this in with water and you let it soak it up. And this is what it looks like after it's soaked up. As you can see, all the little goodies inside. Then you mix in your oil. I usually make this in 2-pound batches, and this took me less than 10 minutes. And so it gets 2.5 ounces. Okay. These are the bowls that I use for my dogs because they like to eat super fast. So these are perfect little slow feeder bowls for them.